Can the new Intel Core Ultra processor with AI help me smash through my tasks while I'm out and about? Let's find out. This Acer laptop uses AI boost to make your applications more efficient and help you be more productive. Now you can keep on top of absolutely everything without it slowing you down. Then when it comes to video calling, just use purified voice and AI can lend a hand by tuning out background noise for a smoother conversation without any distractions. AI-powered software like Copilot can even turn your meeting notes into a PowerPoint presentation. You've also got Intel Unison, which links all your devices up for a multi-screen setup that works together on any operating system. The powerful processor with its AI engine gives you all-day battery life by optimizing the workload for more efficient performance, giving you more time to fine-tune your work. And when you're ready to go, its lightweight and slim build make it really easy to slip into your bag.